Welcome to appleguide. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to switch from light mode to dark mode in simple steps. Click on the Apple logo at the left hand corner. Go to System Settings. Click on Appearance. And here you can see that you've got three different options. This device is currently on dark mode. If I select the light mode, as you can see, the system has changed to light mode. Now the third one, which is auto, means that your system will rotate between light and dark mode. Select what mode you have based on personal preferences, although research shows that the dark mode puts less strain on the eyes. And if I minimize this, if you also check something like your mail app, you can see that it's in dark mode as well. As stated earlier, this tends to put less strain on the eyes. But if you prefer the light mode, the good thing also about the light mode is you can always reduce the brightness. Done. This is how you switch between light mode and dark mode.